Hello guys and welcome to RC Trucks. Today we have a new video about the container truck lighting and voice vibration system from GT Power. This unit comes with a speaker, vibration motor, lights and also a ESC. It's built in. It's a built-in 60 amps ESC. All the settings and everything from lights to sounds to volume control can be controlled using Bluetooth. Yes, on your smartphone. This can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. This box has all sorts of information, so make sure you don't throw this box away, because as you can see, the connections, the connecting cables and connectors are listed here, and the connecting diagram, the whole wiring diagram is here, so make sure you don't throw this box away. So now let's open this and see what's inside. So the box, so here we have the manual, which is in English as well as in Chinese. Oh, that's good. English, I have gone through the manual and it seems to be having a lot of information in it, starting from, the connecting diagram, troubleshooting, connectors, and you also have a tractor diagram as to which light goes where. Well, that's really good. It's really informative. The manual comes real handy in these kind of situations. So we have the sticker sheet, which has to be stuck on the connectors so we know which connector is used for what light. And we have this GT Power sticker. Not sure where I will be using it, but I don't know. Okay, so moving on. Here we have neatly packed the main unit, which I'm gonna pull out so you guys can have a better look. So before I get the main unit out, let's take out the wires, and here's the LEDs. These are the LEDs used for the wiring. The cables seem to be of decent quality, and the LEDs are heat sleeved to avoid short circuits. Great, good work by GT Power. So now let's just open this side up and see what we have here. Yes, we have the speakers. This seems to be a little big, but I think this might fit into the tall cabins of tractors, most probably. Won't know unless we fix it. And we have the motor for the vibration unit. We have the weights. These go on the vibration unit for the vibrations basically. And at last we have the main unit. It's sleek, well built. Oh wow, we have another wiring diagram here. It's good. That's a good initiative by GT Power to have so much of information included on their products. The cables are of decent quality. Cables and connectors are good. As you can see, they're all sleeved and protected. And we have the servo cables here and all the lighting stuff here. So this is good. This is good. If you ask me, this really is good. This is really a good alternative to the expensive Tamiya MFC units. And the best part is yet to come, because all the connections, after all the connections, when you try to do the settings, it has to be done on your mobile phone. Yes, on your smartphone basically, because you don't have a control unit on this like the Tamiya. All you have is a power switch, and this is all you get. Rest, the volume control, what lights you want to turn on, what lights you want to turn off, everything comes up on your mobile phone. So I'm gonna show you the Bluetooth app which looks like this. And as you can see, it's connecting with the device. It's asking for a password, which we are just going to ignore. And it's connected. You have the serial number, the device type, the firmware version, and then you have all the modes, roof light switch, lighting modes, and the volume control itself. And you have the light systems here. As you can see, everything can be controlled here. Yes, right here. Everything can be controlled here. This is a really good thing, but I'm not sure as to how handy this will be unless I wire the whole thing up and then come up with a new video which will have the whole setup. So keep watching, stay tuned to my channel for the next video on how this thing is wired and how this thing comes up.